Hello, hello. We should now be live, I think. Just messing with my microphone a little bit here. And where is my music? There's my music. There we go. Let's start it on something else. This song. There we go. That's definitely the song. Alright. Alright. So, we are back for another week, another stream, another attempt at moving forward with this project. And I'm thinking I'm gonna stay out of Unity tonight. I know that usually works out when I say that, but the idea is that we have a character, we're able to walk around, we're able to climb on things, and I have it in the back of my head that we had started working on picking things up, but I can't remember how far in I got on that. Maybe we haven't gotten to that yet. But what I'd like to do is actually have a character, because right now it's just a pill going around, and while doing the climbing stuff, I kept saying that I was going to move that to later, actually have like the wait time while it's climbing and so on and so forth. And I think it might be worthwhile to like actually have a character that can climb, so we're going to try to work on that. This is kind of my inspiration page for the lutin, the main character in this project. I got a whole bunch of stuff that I'm not sure about. I also found the old like notebook that I had started making initial art and text to explain the characters, like the kind of lore behind them. And there's some really interesting stuff in here that I had completely forgotten about. In the end, I don't think I'm going to go with the character that I had here. I might reuse some of these ideas for like cosmetics, have some braided hair, have some clothes, and so on and so forth. But I'm thinking we're going to go more with something that's kind of shaped like this. I like the idea of this just generally. So we're going to try to do something tonight. I don't know if we're going to have a character that actually looks like that, or if I'm just going to do something that's close enough that I can use. I still haven't decided that. It's going to depend on how much trouble I have actually working in Blender trying to make a character. All right, so we are back in Blender here, and I would like to bring that over there and grab the reference for this. Let me attempt to do two things at once here real quick. Okay. Where is... I can bring this back now. So yeah, these are images from some of the kind of game concept that I had going. That's the old one. Here it is. Lutin concept. That's the one we want. Okay, so if I pop this forward, yeah, you can see a little bit better what I'm going to be going for here. I have this little character. I really like these sizes on this character. So this is the general vibe we're going for. I had this idea of using like branch ears, maybe have like a complete branch or just chopped off. I'm still partial on that, but I like the general idea of it. I don't know which one of these two I'm gonna want. I like the idea of incorporating some of like foresty creatures in it, so like rabbit inspired legs. Don't know about if we're going to be doing that or if we're going to just be going for these simpler legs, but we'll see. I had him like in a little leafy coat, but like I wrote here, I have a feeling it's going to be a bit of a pain on the shaders, and I also have a feeling that it's going to cut down on how much like customization we can have on our characters, which is something I really want to like allow people to just like find random objects and be like plonk it on their character and see how it looks. So we're gonna try to go for this general shape. And I actually tried to do a side and front view so far on my own, and I completely lost the general shape of this. It looked weird. So what I'm going to do, and because this is like a 3/4 view, it's a bit of a pain if you want to base yourself off of that to make a character in Blender. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this, I'm going to go into Photoshop, let that load up, and we're going to try to do a front view of it directly in Photoshop. I have been trying not to use my graphic tablet that it stands so generously donated or lent. I'm not exactly sure. I'm still not clear on that part. But I don't think he wants it back. But yeah, we're gonna try to use it tonight. And I'm not absolutely horrible at drawing. I'm okay at it. But what I've realized is that drawing on a tablet, when you don't actually see what you're drawing, like directly on the surface, it messes with me. So.
That's it. You try being an artist.
Huh? That's you? That you're the artist? Okay. I seem to have just pissed off my wife. All right. Let's see. Let's have this size, I guess. That's the starting size. That's fine. Oh, it's standing. I kind of don't want that like that. I thought it was sitting. Okay, let's try it again. This way, just sideways. Same thing, but sideways. There we go. And we can. I'm holding the graphic pen now. Excuse me, what? It is inverted. Oops. All right. Okay. Give me a second. I'm not that much of a mess. It's just how do I flip this around? Display toggle. Precision mode. Redial menu? What is that? Wacom properties. Display toggle. What is display toggle? That did nothing. Step forward. How do you flip it around? I know this way. Let's see. Let's bring this over here. Flip Wacom tablet orientation. Open Wacom center. Wacom tablet properties. Okay. Wacom tablet properties. Here we go. Sounds good so far. Okay, double click, right click, current pressure, to feel erase mapping device, standard mode recognition data, no. Just click on things until we figure it out, I guess. Click and tap. What am I trying to do? The tablet is working backwards. It's like...
Yeah.
But I want it the other way.
You plugged it in the wrong way. There's two plugs.
Okay.
For right-handed and left-handed. You
Plug in that one? Okay, let's try that.
There's a little flap in front. You have to move it.
I have to move it. What is this?
Or you can just move it that way.
Yeah, but I want the stuff on that side. How do I do this? Can I move it?
Normally, yes.
Hmm.
Pourquoi ta tablette est à gauche? T'es droitier?
Huh?
The tablet goes on that side of your desk.
But that's in the way.
That's where the mouse is. That's where it goes. Then the plug is the right way around.
But it's in the way if it's over there. Now don't bring that over here. How do I open this?
Just turn the tablet, David. Then. That's why it's not on the wrong side. It's just because you're working
But it's in the way now.
with your left hand.
But it was.
See, all the buttons are the right way around.
It was all neat. No, it's not. Oh no. Let's see. Yeah, it seems to be a little weird,
Is it working now?
but it seems to be working now.
Is it doing both screen or just?
Yeah, it's working. It's doing both screens.
Yeah. So to change the screen, there's a button here.
Okay.
So you put your pencil. Where's your right screen? Now you're on this one. Now you're on just this one. This button. Display total.
Okay. Thank you. There we go. Learning. Learning all the things. All right. Does this? It doesn't. Is there not a way to have this, like, clamp? I guess not. What if I go in %? Yeah, now it clamps. Okay, here we go. So there we go, and there should be a no. It does not clamp at 25. Well, that's annoying. That is annoying. I got 25. And 75. Ah, good. Shift. That's what I wanted. There we go. Let's have this at 25 as well. And 75. Here we go. So we have this space here. Okay. I just realized there's like a little heart thing. Okay. I seem to have clicked on things I shouldn't have. Can I go back? Oh no.
What did you do?
I'm good. Don't worry about it. I may have made my chat disappear. View? Reset UI? Nope. Okay. Filters, no. Oh no. What have I done? Surely there's a word chat somewhere. Stats. Chat! I found it. We're good. Here we go. On the offside, anybody says anything tonight, I'll have chat. Okay, good. I am back. I am back. Okay. So now we have this little guy to draw, or attempt to draw. This is gonna be painful. Alright. Now let's see. Move the mic more over here. Oh, that's not what I wanted to do at all. Control C, no, Control Z. There we go. Now how do I, let's have it like 10 maybe. Let's try drawing. So I'm making a circle. Wonderful. This is gonna be cursed. Okay, so its head should be the size of this essentially, and then its entire body should fit in this. Okay. Yeah, let's go with that. This is really weird. Okay, so let's... I somehow made a straight line up. The heck? Why?
You have guides on?
Yes.
Well, yeah, to unselect snap to guides.
Where is snap to guides?
No, that's just me. Where is it again?
No
There you
snap.
go.
Thank you. This is it. This is it, guys. I can tell this is the beginning of my digital artiste career. You can tell by this really awkward oval I just drew. Is there like a... maybe there's a way to mirror? Oh yeah, look at this. Vertically. No. Oh no. What have I done? Ah, here we go. This is what I wanted. Put this at 25. Here we go. Perfect. And now, if I draw on one side, it'll draw on the other side for me, right? Oh, yes.
You're totally showing your 3D artists.
Oh, look at this.
Trying to do everything mirrored.
Oh, this is the way. This is the way. Okay, he'll have a little butt line here. We can give him like a little thing like that. Give him little shoulders that go down to hands. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh no! What have I done? It looks so bad. You can have little lines for his legs. He has little toes. Yes. Yes, this isn't a monstrosity. This is what we're going to try to do in 3D. Wonderful. Yes. We'll have... no, those eyes are way too high. We'll have lower eyes. Here.
You know there's a circle tool, right?
Look, we're doing it this way. We're doing it this way. Yeah. I like that. I have a little nose. Oh my god. It will give a little smile. There we go. We've created E.T.
Why does it have such weirdly long arms? It's a proportion of Animal Crossing character, and somehow you've made it ugly. Uglier than the ones in the game.
What have I done? What have I done? There we go. Maybe if we darken it, darken in the eyes. There we go. Yeah, this will make it look so much better. I can feel it. Oh, I miss pencil and paper. Oh my god. Okay, well that was an attempt, but you see, it's not a good attempt because I forgot to make it on another layer. That is definitely the problem here. Yep. I didn't make it on a separate layer, guys. No, I'm sorry, I can't use these. That's the issue we have here. It's not that we've created a
Just
monstrosity.
select it. Just it's black.
I don't think I want to keep it, but
Okay, in that case.
yeah, you did hear that. The problem, the problem is definitely that I, yes. You know, I made it on the wrong layer. That's the issue we have here.
The only.
The only issue, yes. It was good. It was like definitely 10 out of 10 for effort, but God. All right, let's try it again. Let's give it a little neck, maybe. Maybe a little neck is what we miss. See, we got a little neck now. We got a little body. Like that. Something like this. Oh, I can tell. We're up for a second masterpiece here. Oh, yes. Oh. Let's give it little shoulders.
You're giving me cramps.
Oh, yes. There we go. Oh, perfect. Maybe like little... There we go. What am I doing? I have a new plan. I have a new plan, guys. Alright. Let's just put this over here. And then we're going to... Oh, that's actually a problem. Here we go. We're going to take... Oh, wait, I have a second idea. Right. So, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to look up chibi. You can see what I'm looking up here. There we go. Let's see. Let's write chibi proportions, maybe. Right. Why have a computer if no use computer? That's what I say. Yeah, they're doing like this. This isn't what we want. I think we want something a little bit more like that. Where it's like half the body. Oh, like this, I guess. Where the half the body is the head. Yeah, something like that. Okay. Let's grab this. Let's just do a copy and we'll see if there's anything else. Ooh. Okay, that's overkill. Yeah, that's 3/4 though. It should be proportion to head. Okay. Okay. Keep messing around with this, I think. Oh. I don't know if the mic picks up Luna. This is overkill. This is like way too much. Yeah, these are the proportions we're going for. Ooh. Ooh, this is close. This is really close. Okay. Grab this, go back to Photoshop, and we're going to paste that in. And we can resize this, right? Let's see. Edit. Scale. Yes. There we go. Something like that. Something like this. Okay. Now, the obvious question here is why don't I just use this and use it as a base to do the 3D art? And the answer to that is shut up. I'm not talking to you. Honestly, it may be what I'm doing. Okay. So let's do this again. I want to attempt to use this. Can I do this and this? Oh, look at this. And then we could have this. Oh, this isn't working. Okay, wait. Undo. And go. Then we could have like this going down here. Wow, this is way too intense. And if you're wondering, yes, I did indeed make a huge thing about Shift Control Z, about having graphics tablet and using graphics tablet, and then I did in the end attempt to use my mouse. Going back to the graphics tablet, I'm giving it a proper try. Okay, so this and this and ooh. The heck did I just do? What did I just do? Okay, that didn't work out. Very bizarre. Okay, let's go down to transform scale. Let's move this up to here. Just to give us an idea of what kind of scaling we want. There we go. And I'm going to lock this. We're not going to touch that anymore. Oh, hey Kyle. Have you come to watch me struggle? I'm trying to make... Wait, actually my music's a little loud. Ooh, okay. Lower music. I'm trying to make something to base myself off to make the 3D models. And I'm struggling. I may end up just using this as something to give me proportions, because I want to recreate this little dude as a front view of him, and potentially even a side view. And past attempts have not yielded very good results, let's put it that way. I am going to lower opacity on this. Yep, just like that. Lock it once more, and we're going to try again. I am oh, how do you use tablets? I don't get it. Here we go. Okay, okay. Okay, that's not so bad. Alright. And we're gonna go for the simple leggies, not the rabbit ones that I was hoping for, because I'm not entirely sure how to draw front view rabbit legs right now. Here we go. And we can make like some toe beans, something like that. And then we'll have the arms going out into something like this. There we go. It's not the worst. It's not as bad as our first attempt, so we're getting there. As for the head, let's maybe something like that, and then give it eyes. So like, get in another layer here real quick, and I would like to go on to a different color just so I don't get them all confused, like this guy essentially did. Put this down to 10. There we go. So like this will go up here maybe, and then we'll have like something like that. Okay. And I forgot to change. I forgot to change color. That's fine. Let us just do that for now. Bring this back up to 20. How's the sound, by the way? Put a little nose nib there. Put a little smile there. We can like maybe make the ears. Something like that. Where's my eraser? Here we go. Bring this down to 10. Sound is good? Good to hear. There we go. Something like that. Okay, okay. Like that, like that. That could be my ear. Then we'll have an eye. I made them pretty close to the top. So it'll be like around here, I guess. Oh. Doesn't look right. No matter how I draw them, it just looks weird. Oh, that's actually not so bad. It's not good, but it's not so bad. That's too big. And I'm gonna take just gonna go ahead and take a leaf out of Bill's book and just real quick use a circle to make an eye. Right? I made them circular, I guess. Something like this, maybe? I do not want to fill. Thank you. Okay, let's make the stroke 5, maybe? Oh, that's creepy. Okay, let's move it over. For some reason, it's not mirroring. I guess it doesn't work for this. Let's have this as rasterize. And we're going to merge these two layers. Okay, we've lost our oops, undo. Oh no. Can I not undo that? Oh no, it's over here. Okay, I need to move this over again. Okay. Alright, so it doesn't actually like do what I thought it did, which would to copy it, it mirrors what you're currently drawing. Good to know. Put the eyes and face low with a big forehead for super cute look. Okay. Because this is our mark, right? You're saying I should put it down here? Okay, we can do that. We can try it. We can try it. Let's see. Alright, I need my eraser tool once more. Okay. And we can also rework this. Should I leave these guides here? You can mirror the eye shape by duplicating it. Go into the transform tool and set the anchor on the symmetry line, then hit flip horizontal. Oh, good idea. Okay, I'll get back to that. I'm going back to your first point here. Put the eyes and face low with a big forehead for a cute look. Okay. Let's try that. So let's take that away. Here we go. Go back to this mode and let's follow the lines that they have here, right? Oh God. No. Also, I want it in gray. There we go. So that would be like the center of the face, I guess. The guidelines already on the under drawing is good spot for the eyes, yeah. So I would make like the eyes here. It looks so creepy though. I mean, I know I'm making gigantic eyes and I have like next to no control over my pen. It's actually not so bad, but it looks a little creepy. I guess I'd have to move the ears down too if I had this at the center. Yeah, okay. Let's use the guide that's already there. Okay. I'm going to try the head again. Because I have very little understanding how you're supposed to use a tablet to get the result that you want. Okay, so I keep making straight lines. The lower ears like underdrawing too. Okay. So I'd make like the ears here, the mouth down here, the nose here, and the eyes here? Something like that? Or would you have the eyes here anyway? The problem is it's starting to look too human if I do those kinds of proportions. Yeah, that's cute. Okay. Alright. Well, if that's the case, like, I'm essentially just following this, I should just follow that image. Do I still have the page open? Here we go. Save image as. They can go wherever you like if it gets to look you want. Yeah. Okay, let me save this somewhere. We're just gonna base ourselves off that. I'm gonna skip the part where I struggle with Photoshop. I'll do that thing that they do in cooking shows, right? And voila, we have our end result. Let's just do this. Add mesh plane. Okay. Here's a question though. How do I get the image and everything? I saw before starting, my mic is over there now. Before starting this, I actually was watching a little tutorial. And I instantly forgot what I was being told. So let me just close caption this and have it on the other screen. Oh, okay. You can drag drop files. I wasn't aware of that. So I should be able to grab this and drag drop it into here. Oh, look at this. Oh, that's so good. Okay. All right. Let's see. You can drag drop it in and it works. Yeah, that's exactly it. Alt G and Alt R. And I have somehow opened this. I'm sorry? Okay. Is this centered? It looks centered. Okay, let's rotate this. Oh no, it's not centered at all. Oh, you know what I just realized? This isn't my playlist anymore. What happened to my playlist? Let's go to this one. Okay, yeah, you shuffle playlist and loop videos, please. Thank you. Alright, let's bring this back here. Right. So, from here, if you want to make it look like the concept, just make the head wider. Okay. All right. So yeah, this isn't. Okay, let's try this differently. We'll go in this view, and if I go over here, grab and drag drop it into here, it's here, and it should be the right orientation. So if I do Alt G, it is now centered, and yeah, it's the right everything. So I could put myself back into this mode for a moment. We are going to question why I've lost my grid. I'm sorry. Yep, thank you. Let's move this up here. So each one of these are 1 meter high. Bill, do you know where the measuring tape is? So I want our lutin to be about like knee high.
You should just ask me to bring me the measuring tape, because that's what you were asking.
I mean, you got up. Could you bring me the measuring tape, please?
Meter is very tall.
Yeah, I don't want a meter. I want to know how big this is to my knee.
This is a meter.
Yeah, thank you. Okay, so like, let's say 25, a little bit higher than knee height. Okay, 25 centimeters.
What? It's not 25 centimeters, David.
What? 25 centimeters is up here.
Yeah, that's inches. That's 2 feet.
Oh, those are inches.
The centimeters
This
is
is
there.
60 centimeters. We'll go with 60 centimeters.
Dude, don't you know how big a ruler is?
I do not.
Well, not as big as your leg.
It is totally as big as my leg.
Yeah.
No. Okay, so we want this to be a little bit half the size.
Rain or something after summer.
I don't think.
Yeah, I see that.
There we go. There we go. And so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is up here. Okay. Attempt to scale this to the right side. I think that's fairly good. It's a little bit bigger than 6. And now I could send it in the middle. And click on the wrong thing. Here we go. And put ourselves into... Oh, that doesn't work. Okay, into this mode. This is fine. All right. We have a new collection. We'll call that thing. And let's try to make this. So first things first, we're going to add in a new box. Here we go. Scale that TF down. Here we go. Put that at around head area space. There we are. can scale that back up. And he was using a couple little tools. Let's see, subdivide. And that is a thing here. Subdivide. No. Where is it? Subdivide. Oh, there's a mirror as well. That'll be useful, but not right now. Subdivision surface. There we go. And we can boost that up to say 3. I think in the tutorial he was using 4. Yeah, 4 was his magic number. Let's make it 4. Okay, so we can go ahead and make that bigger. We can also kind of squish it. I'm sorry. We can also kind of squish it down. No, we're not allowed to do that. Oh, okay. Let's just leave it like that for now. Yeah. All right. And we're going to go ahead and make a new cube. It's shifty? Yeah, shifty. And then you have control over it. You click to let go of it. So shifty, click. And we're going to move that down to about here. This one we are going to scale down quite a bit. To something like this. And I would like to have some sort of control over this. Why is it equally scaling down? I don't understand. I am selecting... There we go. Okay. Okay. And... No, I don't want that. I don't want that. There we go. Something like this. Yeah. And I could do the same for the head. So we get out of that mode. Grab this and we can scale it up this. Scale this down a little bit. Something like that, right? With a little pill head and a little tiny body. Okay, we've got something going. Let's go on to the next part. Because I really like how he was doing things. So, click aside. I should be able to lock this. I guess not. Okay. So let's go back into front view. We're going to add a mesh, a plane. Let me just watch this real quick. Vertex mode right here. If you can just hit M to merge at center. Okay, so we have this. We do M to merge, move to collection. Wonderful. Let's see if we can get it to merge at center. This is the thing. Hello, Ada. How are you? This is the thing with Blender, is that someone shows you how to do something and they're using different key bindings and then you have no idea how to do it. Set origin, no, we want to merge this. So maybe I have to be in this mode. And then click on M at center and now we've merged it. Okay, there we go. That works. Ada, not on the keyboard. There we go. He's using a mirror modifier and a skin modifier. So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to do a mirror. I've seen it recently, so mirror. And we're also going to use a skin Okay, and there's another one he used. Subdivide, right. So let's go into here and do a subdivide surface. Bring that up to 4. Sure. And now what? Okay. Go into this mode. Move this up to the arm. And then we're going to have the little arm coming out based off of this. Let's see. There's a way to scale vertex data, and I can't remember how to do it. So let's go back to front. I'm going to select scale, and I'm going to try the different keys here. Alt. Nope. Control. Nope. Alt. No. Shift. No. Just normal. No. D. No. Let me double check. Blender. Skin. Scale. Sking. Skin resize blender manual. Shortcut is Control A. Okay, let's try that. We'll try Control A. So Control A. There we are. Okay, and now I should be able to extrude. Is extrude region what I want? Sort of. Okay, let's go like that. So I can move this out and bring this down here. Now we have a little beanie arm. Here we go. Lay down, boo boo. No, you're sitting over there? Okay. Something like that. Okie dokie. I expect that this will deform really badly, but... And here's another question. I am fairly certain I told it to make a mirror. Yeah, right here. Okay. Okay. Mirror object. Cube. So why is it, that was the wrong axis. Okay. Alrighty. So now we have 2 little beanie arms.
They're not spaghetti anymore?
They are not spaghetti. Get out of the toggle VR. So yeah, we got like a basic body, 2 little arms, and a basic head. There's a lot of work left to do on this thing. Alright, let's go back into this mode. And something I just noticed, the head and the body does not connect in any way. So that'll be something to look into. What did I just click on? Toggle X VR. Okay, perfect. Let's see. There's also a way to like change the root of this, I believe. There we go. Okay, let's do the leg now. Add cube, massive cube, make the cube. Make the cube smaller. Something like that. And we're going to do the same idea. Oh, that's on the... No, we don't want that. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Let's get out of that mode. Now we're going to add a new mesh that is a cube. There we are. We move that down. to here we go. We have cube 2 here. We can go into that mode. We can do a mirror so that they're the same on either sides. We're going to use Y. And we're going to also use subdivide surface. Bring that up to 4. Same as the other thing. We'll go into front mode and we're just going to play around with these vertices until it gives us what we want. So select that and scale this down. There we go. We can move that over to here. We can actually, you know what? Let's take that, move that up here. Take that, move that down here. Take that, we'll move that over here. Sure. And take that, move that up to here. And we can take these two things and nope, once again, I do want this. Here we go. Flatten that down on the ground. We can do a little loop cut, put that there. Once again, flatten this. Nope. And just bring that down to say here. I'm starting to have little beans. Little beanie body going. Okay. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to take all of the cubes. I'm going to get out of this mode first. I'm going to take all of these cubes. I'm going to see if I can merge them. Is there like a join? So we have the subdivision. And we're going to get into the edit poly mode. We're going to make a line down the center of the head and down the center of the body, if I can select it. Here we go. And then we'll be able to select everything over here. Delete. Select everything over here. Delete. And we have the subdivision still going, so we're going to add a mirror. Here we go. In Y, there we go. We have the two sides now. Oh. We have something going down here. Okay. Let's put ourselves in Y mode. Or Y orientation, rather. Move this to here. That to here. And same over here. That over here. Move that over here. Yeah, perfect. I'm thinking maybe this was a huge mistake and I should have just made it in one piece. It kind of looks like a Katamari. We're getting somewhere. It's not a very good direction, but it's somewhere. There we go. We'll grab all of this. What's happening here? I said no, Ada. Thank you. Grab all of this. For some reason, it's only grabbed the bottom. And it hasn't grabbed through it. Oh, because I'm not in X-ray mode. Here we go. Grab all this, and now it should, the leg should come with it for some reason. Shift. Okay, let's do this, and this, and scale this down. I changed my mind. I've changed my mind. Yeah, I want this broken into pieces. There we go. Let's stick with the what I was seeing in the tutorial. Here we go. I would like to select all of this, break this specifically in this direction. Yeah, down. Perfect. And grab all this, once again, specifically in this direction, all the way down. There we go. We are going to grab the front of this. Yep. And we're going to extrude it. There you go, he has little feet now. Oh, wonderful. This is the best thing I have ever created. Blender never selects through unless you're in X-ray mode. That's one thing I know about Blender because it annoys me a lot. Yeah, I put it in X-ray mode and now it does that. One thing that's been steadily driving me crazy is it seems to really want to select the outer circle when I'm scaling stuff and I don't want it to. Okay, let's do that. By the way, Dad. She's just staring at my, she's just staring at my things. Oh, it's because Luna just got her food. Yeah, that is why. Do you want your food too? Hmm? Does the Ada want her food? Excuse me? Why is it popping out in this direction? Okay, we are going to take a short pause as I give Ada her food, and then we're going to find out the mystery of the backwards feet. Back. I have read your message and you are absolutely correct. I do have mirror on 2 axis. There we go. Alrighty. Could do this maybe. Could have a little loop here. Let's scale this direction, move that down, kind of define the foot region a little bit more. And I realize I've completely tossed my reference out the window, but at this point I just want something that kind of sort of looks okay. And I'll get back to the rest afterwards. And I've gotten myself a granola bar. Here we go. Okay. I did want like 3 toes. So how am I going to do that? I guess I could do the same as the beanie arms and just do it with toes. Maybe that's the way. Let's just hide what we've done so far. We're going to try it again with the other method, the skinning and so on method. And I'm going to see if we can get toes and legs, and if it gives us more control to make like the rabbit legs that I was hoping to make. Okay, then we can, you know, mess around with it a little bit more. So what I need to do is add mesh plane, go into edit poly mode, click on M, center, go over to modifier. The first one is mirror. We want it in Y only. The second is skin. I'm not sure about any of that. I'm going to ignore it for now, and then subdivide surface as well. Bring that up to 4. There we go. And was it Alt A or Control A? Control A to change that size. Okay, so you can go back into forward mode or view. Bring this up for their little beanie legs, and then we can do a extrude, which is shift spacebar E. I'm sorry, shift spacebar E. Oh my god, okay, sure. Let's bring that down to the floor. And shift spacebar E once again. Let's pull this out, go into the side view, and pull it out, and now we have little oh, these are great little feet. Okay. All right, so that's the basic idea. So what we're going to do, we're going to go back, we're going to go on a side view, and we're going to go back again. I'm going to move this up here, and what I'm going to do is just kind of imagine if it had little legs, what would it be like? Something like this, and then a shift. Let's bring this down to, say, here. It's because it's inverted. Must be because it was inverted. Yeah, this looks better. The feet can go down to here. And then once again, I'm going to do that. I'm going to have a toe bean. I'm going to have another toe bean. I know this is all broken. It's fine. It's fine. I would like... this view here. Minus that. Okay. Go. Here we go. And here we go, I suppose. I can kind of mess around with this a little bit. Okay, and of course, Alt A. I should have done them all at the same time. So select this, this, and this, Alt A. Let's just do that for now. And we're going to select everything and just bring it closer to the center here. Oh, that's kind of a cool way of doing things. Okay. Alt A. Something like that. Whoa, that was way too big. feel like I'm working on a spore creature now. Just how this kind of functions. It's not perfect, but it's a good start. I guess this would completely break everything, eh? When I'm doing the skinning and rigging. Because it's not like... it's not stretched out. Okay. Let's try that then. Let's move everything out as such. My other question is, I guess the legs would go up here, right? Is why it's growing like this instead of like a circle? There we go. That's a passable start. And it only took me over an hour. Alright, let's take a look at the arms again. Now I only want like... I only want, let's do that like that. Eventually I will finish that thought, I promise. I only want a mitten, so like one finger and a thumb. But before I do anything else, I want to select that and say mark root. Apparently that does something, and I'm just going to do it to the other one. Here, this is also the root. Did it round out the butt a bit? Maybe it did, I have no idea. Okay, we'll go with that. 3D art is extremely laborious, which is why I mostly draw now. Yeah. It definitely is. It is that. Right, this? Is it raining out? I don't think it is. Front view. Extrude one. Same here. Extrude another one. And what we're going to do, and it is completely broken, and that's absolutely fine. I'm going to select all of this and just scale that down a little bit. Oh, that's already better. Let's have it front view. We'll move this up to here, and then we're going to extrude once more. And move this out. Just give a little bit of space to work with. Something like that. There we go. And once again, I have this on. There we go. we have a very basic base of character. I think it's wonderful. I think this is absolutely perfect. And definitely what's going to be shipped out when I send it. Here we go. I'm gonna make that a bit bigger. Now I'm thinking with the body like this, if the hands are maybe a bit problematic. Uh-oh. I pressed on something. I pressed on something, and I've hidden the image. I was all happy when I did it because I was like, oh cool, I can't see the image in the way anymore, and now I'm like, oh shit, I can't see anything. Okay, let's just select all that. Move this out like this, maybe? There we go. And, yeah, let's... Oops. Once again, only this way. Move that into here. I love his little butt. Okay, what have I done? I see. I would very much like to know... Yes, maybe something like that. Maybe something like that. Right? It's, not good. Perfect for what you need. I always find models that are just big, simple shapes, very satisfying. Yep, that's what I'm thinking. I think this, for our needs, is absolutely perfect. One day, I'll put some actual effort and make it into, like, the end character, I guess. But for now, I think we're fairly good. Let's go back to cube number 1. And I am just so distraught that I've lost all of my guiding lines as well as the... I have no idea how I did this now. Object type visibility. Yeah, it should be visible. Oh, I'm in layout? I see. Okay. So what we could do... That's what I did. What we could do here, I guess, before I get any further in, is let's see if we can subdivide it this way. Oh god, I've just made it a cube. And this way? Oh look at this, it's so cube-like. That's actually hilarious. Okay, let's undo that. Go into side view. We're just gonna move certain things around a little bit. Maybe this. Here we go. The face out like this. Maybe move this over here. And I think this is good for what we're needing it to be. Maybe if I select all of these and like squish it down a bit. How do we feel about that? Oh, I kind of like that. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, this is pretty good. All right. We're going to get rid of this shape over here. And we're going to see what we could do with this. I'm not entirely sure if this is going to work, but what I would like to do is get out of that mode, select this, 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 and this, go over to export. FBX, I suppose. I'll just move this over here. I'm gonna stick it straight on the desktop for now. Just the mesh, nothing else. And we are going to say lutin. This is 01 FBX. There's no animation, don't bake anything. Okay. And the idea here is I should have access to Mixamo. I'm fairly certain I do. Let's see. Shouldn't be too long. It's loading on the other screen. So yeah, we have this, right? Mixamo. And my thought is I should be able to just click on this blindly. I should be able to click on this, is it? No, animations? Default character, download, send, upload character. That's the one I want, and we can use an FBX. So let me just grab this, put it here. Let's see what it gives us. I've used this once before. It's been a long time now. Okay. Auto rigger, yep, I remember that. This should take less than half a minute. Riveting. Okay. For the best results, have your character in a T-pose. Got it. And figures spread out. Got it. Use arrow buttons to rotate your character and have it front face forward. Is that what we want? No. It's front facing now. Next. Yep. How is that not centered? Okay, good to know. Let's fix its legs, apparently. Yeah, look at that. The legs are off center. Okay. Very confused about that one because it should be centered here. Oh, these are centered. The body isn't. Okay. Oh. How do I force something to be in the center? It was Alt G, wasn't it? Yeah, that moves it down there. And if I move this back up here, should be centered now. Okay. Give it a save. Sorry, no, give it an export. FBX, same, lutin 1. Here we go. And we're going to go back over to here. And once again, upload a character. And we're going to try our lutin once again. And it seems to be pretty good. All in all, pretty good. I'm kind of excited to see what it's going to look like animated. Your character is processing. Yep. So Kyle, have you been doing any new drawings recently? I know you did one for your mouse character the other day, but I'm wondering if you have anything new and exciting. There we go. Chin is here. Wrists are here. Oh no, wrist. Here and here. Elbows will be around here, I guess. Knees are going to be here. Groin is going to be here. Oh, I don't think this is gonna work. Okay. This is what we want. Looks fairly okay. Let's click on next and see what it gives us. I think the feet are just going to absolutely wreck it. And if it does, we can rework it a little bit. Now I'm grinding out, cleaning my apartment, no time for serious drawing. Oh, okay. Well, I mean, a little bit of spring cleaning is always nice as well. Oops, place all markers on the character. Uh-huh. I mean, this is on the character. Maybe that was too low, I don't know. I may need to rework the character. Maybe it didn't like the way that I made the legs. Maybe it doesn't like the way that I have things floating. Unknown error while generating motion. Blah, blah, blah. Yeah, it doesn't like how I did something. Okay, let's go back into Blender then. I have a feeling that the fact that it's separate meshes is just making it freak out. It doesn't have a neck. Yeah, that's probably not helping. Okay, let's mess around with it and see what we get. So select this, select that. We're going to do a little inset face as such. Let's move that up, and then just move everything else down. There we go, and now I should have access to this a little bit more. Get a bit smaller. Do that, do a little extrude. Something like that, I guess. And then I can select the cube head and move it forward, maybe. Put up and forward, something like that. And I'm going to see what I can do about these feet. I have a feeling it's not going to like the feet. Just a strange feeling. Side view, select that. Oops. Sorry, let's put it in that mode. Select that. Ooh, what's happening? Yeah? Why can't I select anything? Uh-huh. 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 What's going on here? Yeah, I have nothing to select. There is nothing to select. Uh-oh. What's going on? Ada's pruing in the background. Thank you, Ada. I'm very confused though. It didn't collapse the... No. Okay. Why can't I select anything then? Make loose, equalize, merge. Oh, that's amazing. I like this. Okay. We're not doing that though. We want to know why I can no longer select the points. Subdivide. I'm in modeling, sculpting maybe? No, definitely not sculpting. Modeling, shading, layout, modeling. Oh, the tilde key does that. Oh, that's nice. I say that's nice. I say that's nice. And then I'm annoyed that I can't figure out why this isn't working. Okay, let's just really quickly. We're going to, oops, get out of that. Do mesh plane. We have a plane. We go into edit. Oh, I see why. Okay, gotcha. Yeah, I got it. I'm being stupid. So select that and make sure we have vertices selected. There we go. Let us just move certain points around. We'll move this up to here. We'll move this out to here. Just something like that. And then just something like this, I guess. Okay. I think this is what it's going to be for now. Just for the test. Okay. So we have everything touching. Now I'm just going to go ahead. Oh my gosh. So Vero put a hummingbird feeder on my window, and I just turned my head and there's a hummingbird. That's just gone. It was just staring at me like, hello. All right. Let's have just on the desktop. Yeah, for now we're gonna do lutin 01 here, and I'll move stuff around later. Okay, so I have saved this in this mode because what I want to do now is select this, this, and this, and I just want to merge everything. Oh, shoot. Convert to mesh. Oh, join. Oh, okay. I think we have something here. Okay, let's give it a save. It's all in one mesh now. I'm going to select the cube, export, FBX, lutin 1, and now I'm going to go find out why we've lost music. Thank you very much. Right. That hummingbird loves watching Blender videos. Yeah. The hummingbird was like, what the heck are you creating over there? Let's see. Here, we got this again. Let's upload a character. We'll try once again to put the lutin in. And let's see what it gives us. Oh my gosh, I didn't pay any attention to the export options I gave it. Let me double check that because I may have just added in a whole bunch of stuff I didn't want. Okay, so we have that selected. We go over here, export, FBX, lutin. No, I was good. Okay, we're good. go back here, upload character, drag drop the lutin. Let's see what it gives us. And if that doesn't work, I'm gonna try one more thing. Just like, I know there's a modifier that I can add where all the mesh that's touching each other just kind of becomes one exterior mesh. We'll see if that helps. There we go. So it's gonna have it in the wrong direction. We flip it here. We do a little next. We give it a chin here. We give it wrists here. We give it elbows, let's say here. We give it knees here. We give it a groin right about here. And we're gonna click on next and see what happens. But yeah, I have a feeling that it's because they're separate meshes that it doesn't like it. Loading, loading, loading. It may also be that the lack of fingers that's making it freak out. If that's the case, we have a bit of a problem. Let's see what it gives us. Oh, we're getting something. Oh my god, it's so bad and I love it. It did work though. Alright.
I like the light. It's got like a mantis head.
This is great.
Does
We
it
have
crouch so much.
its little legs are horrible.
It's like a frog. It's doing Tai Chi.
Let's make a dance maybe.
Its head
Oh,
down.
it's way too low, yeah. Hip hop dancing, come on.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh yeah, there we go.
Their Gundam style.
Oh. That works surprisingly well. Yeah, I'm surprised how well it works too. Considering what I gave it to work with. Okay. I mean, let's see what we have access here. Is this like all the animations we have? We could have like idle, right? Just idle. Oh boy.
Gosh, he looks so aggressive.
Yeah. I think it's because of the way his legs are made.
No, it's because everything's about fighting. Ew, the shoulders.
Yeah. Kneeling idle, breathe idle. What about if it's holding a greatsword? Okay. Laying idle. It's dead. Yeah, ninja. What about happy idle? Yeah, it did work surprisingly well. Considering what I gave it to work with. Okay. Okay. It's wonderful. It's everything I ever wanted. the problem I think this would work. I think it'll work for now, right? We can grab what's orc idle? Neutral idle. Yeah, we could grab a few animations, stick it in to the game, and we have, you know, something. What's arm spacing? Oh. Oh. Overdrive? Overdrive down? Stance? It's posture. Oh, that's forward? This is pretty good. FBX, width skin, frames, it could be, let's make it 60. Okay. Download. Neutral idle. Okay, I have no idea. I've never actually gone any farther than this with Mixamo before. So, I'm completely uncharted territories. I didn't even look this up first. Let's go into that, go into our project. I love how I have projects that are literally just called fuck. Clearly I was happy when I made it. Let's have hub. Assets. Let's see, scene scripts. We have a new folder called art. And in art, we are going to have a new folder called 3D. And in 3D, we're going to have a new folder called lutin. Underscore prototype. Perfect. Okay. And we are going to select this, go into lutin. This is neutral idle. Let's see. T-pose. Perfect. We're also going to download T-pose. Here we go. Drag drop that in. And lutin is going. So while it does that, we're also going to have walk. Walker walk. Oh my god, do we want it to be like overly feminine as walk? I think so. Oh. Okay, maybe we should have it skipping. What's overdrive? Oh, okay. We don't want overdrive. We want it down to 50. In place. We're gonna download this. There we go. And we're also gonna have skip. Is there one that's what we want? Not really, eh? It doesn't really have a skip. No. Edge slip. Okay. Let's have run. In place. What does drunk one run forward look in place? I think that's pretty good, actually. Let's have the drunk run. There we go. So we have idle, we have a drunk run, we have walking, we have a T-pose. Let's have, like, climb, maybe? Climbing a ladder. Freehand climb. Yeah, that's not what we want. This is actually super useful. Climbing to top. Climbing. Sure, this will work. We also have this animation here. Drag that over to our folder. And do we also want to see him as a zombie? Let's go see him as a zombie. Terrifying, truly terrifying. Look at that, there's a bunch of animations in here. Goodbye! Okay. What else do we want to see the lutin do? See if there's any good dances. There we go. Oh, wait, there's the Macarena? Hey, Macarena! Oh, yes. We are downloading the Macarena. This is definitely an animation we need. Okay, enough of that. Here we go. So a bunch of things have been added in and removed. Let's see. Why have certain things been removed? Oh, meta file. Okay. Here, we are going to just make sure this is up to date. So, added character and FBX and animations. There we go. Chicken. And soon, instead of this little pillbox, we'll have an actual basic character. I think that's pretty cool. Okay. Let's just ignore that. I'm not sure why I did that. We have our player here. And let's go check actually what we have in here. So we have art, 3D, lutin prototype, and if I select T-pose and go into the inspector, what do I have? I have just the character and he's T-posing. Okay. Okay. And we're going to go back to the player for a moment. We have what? Capsule, which is a mesh renderer, camera focus. We have a carrying position. And in the capsule, we have a nose. And none of these seem to have anything that we really need to care about. So let's just kill the capsule. We put T-pose in here. Oh my god. He's so much smaller now. Okay. The capsule is 2 meters tall. Let's have it down to 0.6. And the radius is going to be like 0.25. There we go. And we bring this down to 0.25 maybe. Not quite, eh? Point 0.3? Yeah, I think that's more like it. So we have it down to 0.3 and we have this character here. I'm so happy to see him in. I'm so happy to see him in. We have this. We have Mixamo Rig. And for some reason he's called Cube. It seems to have kept all of these settings. That's fine, you know. Player. Let's have an animator. Controller. We can make a controller. We can just stick it in here, I think. Let's go and make an animation controller. And we'll call this lutin. Prototype controller. And we are going... Oh, I just realized I'm in VR apparently. Here we go. I'm out of VR. We are going to select our player once more. Scroll down. Put the controller on here. Avatar. Not sure about that one. We have Mixamo hips. Blah, 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 blah. Let's select the controller. If we go in, that's the animation controller. Right, I'm remembering how this works. This doesn't seem to have anything. If I drag drop the Macarena on it, does it come with an animator and all that? It does not. Okay. It has an animation, right? Yeah, if I play. Okay. It has a rig. Avatar definition, no avatar animation type, generic. This is humanoid. Avatar definition created from this model. Skin weights, I guess. Let's see what that gives us. Asset post processor. And if I select the Macarena dance, we do have an animator that comes with the dance avatar. Okay. So, kill that. We're going to go here. We're going to... Where's the Macarena? We're going to undo this. Generic. No avatar. Apply. Okay, that's fine. We don't care about that. This one we're going to leave as generic. We're going to do create from model. Root node will be Mixamo hips, I suppose. Let's do apply. And now it comes with an animator. We can also add in the controller if we so wish. Okay. And if we just click on play right now, just as is, nothing should happen. It should stay in a T-pose and we can move it around. Perfect. Excuse me. And now we're going to go into the animation controller. And let's see if I can like... Oh, I don't like the naming convention. Motion, this... Yeah, okay, they called it that. Let's call this idle, please. Idle. There we go. And so entry, it should go straight into idle. If I click on play, what happens? Oh yeah, Oh yeah, it's idle. It's idling. Okay. I mean, it's very high over here. All right. So let's go into animator, and we're going to have a little blend tree. Call this movement. It is a blend tree, speed, blah, 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 transition. He's doing it. He is indeed. He is indeed. I'm gonna double click on this and motion list. Add motion, add motion, add motion. So we're going to have idle. Oh, we can't do that. We're gonna have this one. This is a bad name. We should have walking, which is going to be like essentially the same name. Look at that. It's horrible. Why did they do that way? And then we should have running. Okay, as such. So it goes from that to that to that. So let's see. At 0, it's going at that. And it starts walking. Ew. Okay, maybe I should put it at like 0.5 then. Yeah, it's walking, and then it... Okay. There's this like one really awkward place, but that's because we gave it a drunk walk. Cool. So we have this as such. We have a parameter over here. Let's call it something else than blend, because blend is absolutely horrible. Movement speed. Okay. And we are golden, actually. Let's go back here. Instead of idle, it's going to go into movement. Give it a little save real quick here. And so if we play, it should be set to 0 at the start. And it should just be idling, which seems to be what it is. Perfect. And now if we go on to player, movement component. Yeah, let's do it with the movement component. It seems a little weird to have the animation following it in there. Ooh, and I just realized it is 9 o'clock, so this is going to be the last thing we do tonight. Once this loads, here we go. We're going to add in a new serialized field. Here we go, and private, Tor. I think that's what I want. And we're gonna do Mator. And if is grounded, blah 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 blah. Current state falling, current state, whatever. If is grounded, yeah. If it is idle or moving, yeah. We go into this. We're going to over here do animator dot set float, and oh no, have it as English. Why do I have 3 different versions of English on this computer? Oh, that is French. Okay. This is going to be, what did we call it? Oh no. Movement speed. Let's copy it so I don't get it wrong. Movement speed. And the value is going to be Rotate the character, set the movement state, input underscore blah 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 magnitude. And that's what we're going to put here. So while it's moving, it, you know, updates the animation. All right. Let's, oops. Pull this out for a second. Make it full screen. Oh, wait, no. Let's put this over here. And yeah, free aspect, play focused, play unfocused. If we click on play, not maximize though. I should have put it maximize. Where's maximize? Maximize. Here we go. So now if we move, nothing happens because I forgot to set a component. So player animator is here. So T-pose onto animator. Give it a save. And instead of focus, we are going to play as maximized once this is done. Play maximized. Here we go. Here we go. And, oh, look at this. Oh, it stopped. Okay, it was working, so I know what's wrong. Let's go over to art, 3D, lutin, and grab this and make sure it is set to loop. Animation, where are you? Where is it? Loop time. Apply. Can I select more than one when I do this, actually? There's a question. There is nothing in here that I don't not want looped. Okay, I guess I can't. Loop time. Apply. Loop time. Apply. This one should already be set to loop. Yep. Loop time. Apply. T-pose doesn't need a loop. T-pose is just a T-pose. And loop time. Apply. Okay. And also, I'm realizing now that we've shrunk our character, the cam focus, everything is off essentially. So let's make the cam focus be on the character's head. Camera position. That's not right. Let's click on play. Okay, okay. Failed to connect cloud. Okay, thank you, plastic. Let's move this in closer. Something like this. Okay. Give it a save. And hopefully this works. Let's give it a try. Okay, it went back up here. Well, that's okay. Here we go. We got a little run. Can make him walk. Okay, the drunk run looks stupid, but he is coming over to here. I can make him climb. I don't have a falling animation. That'd be good. But yeah. Messed something up. But yeah, we have a little walking character now. And he still needs quite a bit of work for it to be a proper boy, but I don't hate it. I don't hate it at all. Oh, I see. Okay, let's change that. We'll save. Go to play. And it should be closer by. Oh man, the camera. It is working now. I've just broken the camera, but it's doing good. Okay. Lutin now has basic mesh and animation. There we go. At least we got that. We got that out of the way. Nice. That was quick animation controller setup. Yeah, well, it is what it is. Like you saw it was a little broken, and the animation just doesn't always fit and stuff. But yeah, Mixamo, when you're doing something that needs to be quickly done, is pretty good. I'm a big fan of using that as a good enough tool. Or even like a base. Maybe after this I'd bring it back into Blender and try to fix it up. Alright. With that, I think this is where we're gonna call it for tonight. It is past 9 o'clock, and yeah, I think we got quite a bit done considering just how much trouble I had doing this. That seems to be a pattern with these streams. The first hour is me like not comprehending how to do basic things, and then after that, you know, things start working a little bit better. I actually kind of want to bring this back to what it was. Yeah, let's save this like this. So this is what it's going to be tonight. Kyle, thank you for dropping by and being super responsive in the comment chat thing. It's nice to have someone along for the ride.